Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't receive calls on your iPhone. You want to follow these steps, so let's get started. The very first thing you need to check out is the strength on your phone's cellular. As you can see here, this one doesn't have anything. That's why it says SOS here, which is bad. You basically want signal, just like on this phone that I have here as an example. You see where the bars are, you can see your carrier name, in the bar. You want to make sure the bar is on the full strength. That is really important, especially for network. If you're not getting it, you might consider moving to another place where you can get signal. Signal is going to be the first troubleshooting step. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is pull down the control menu here, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it back off just like that. And this can also be done through the setting by going to setting, airplane mode on, airplane mode off. Does a quick network refresh to fix the network. The next thing you want to check out is that your phone is not on do not disturb accidentally. So pull on the control menu again here, tap on that focus mode, and you want to make sure that this doesn't say on. If it does, just simply tap to turn it off, or any of the modes are turned on needs to be turned off as they can interfere with you receiving calls. After that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out, it's going to be in your settings here. You're going to go to your settings, go down into apps, and then go to the phone setting itself. So you're going to scroll down to phone setting. From the phone setting here, you're going to see where it says block contact. You basically want to ensure that if someone is calling you, they're not in that block contact. So let's go ahead and open that up. Now, if you see someone trying to call you and they're on that block list, you're not going to get any calls from them. So simply unblock them by swiping to the left. Just click on unblock to remove them. Now, once you ensure that they're not on your block list, that you're getting calls from them, the next thing you want to check out where it says silence unknown callers. You want to make sure if this is turned on, this is turned off. Sometimes the phone might not recognize a caller. It's going to silence them. Basically, you're not going to even receive calls to a certain extent. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to do after you've turned that off is ensure that the person is in your contact list. So if someone is calling you, maybe your friend or family member, just go ahead and add them to your contact list. So open up the contact app, click on that plus icon, put in their first name, last name, or their name, and then just add their number right here. It's important to do that, especially when you're communicating with someone. An iPhone sometimes can block someone that's not on your list or silence their caller. Now, along with that, the next setting that you want to check out in your settings here, going back to the main settings here, scroll down to apps, and then go down to the phone setting again, same exact setting from setting to apps and then phone setting. You want to ensure that call forwarding is not turned on. Here I don't have call forwarding, but you'll see a section under calls that says call forwarding. If you have that turned on, you want to go ahead and turn that off, as that could forward the call to another number. And if you accidentally did that, you want to go ahead and turn that off. Now, along with that, the next troubleshooting you want to do is go back to the main settings here. You're going to go to General and then click on About and wait about 10-15 seconds here to see if there's a carrier update out. This is how you update a phone's carrier. Basically, on this page, it picks up any carrier update. It'll say it'll come up with a message that says update phone carrier. You click on update. Now, if you don't see anything after 15, 20 seconds or 30 seconds or so, just simply go back to the next troubleshooting step, which we're going to do is we're going to do a force restart on our iPhone. So in order to do that, we're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. So I'll do quickly volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And you can see here, I'm going to keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears on the screen. This method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps still be on your phone, basically shutting down the phone software, reloading the code. And again, all I did was quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen was completely black and the Apple logo reappeared. So, and sometimes you might not get the hang of it the very first time. Just keep on trying until it works. And once you have done that, the next thing to do is go into your setting on your iPhone, go to General, Software Update, and check if there's an update out. Sometimes a previous update might have caused the issue where there's a bug fix, like it says over here. You want to go ahead and update your phone by clicking on Update to the latest version to ensure your phone doesn't have any bug fix that could be impacting you not receiving any of your calls. Now, after you update your phone and you're still not getting any call from the person, it could be that there is an outage in your carrier network. So what you want to do is search up whatever your carrier is in Google outage, and there's websites that tell you, like Down Detector and a bunch of other websites, even your carrier website. If there's an issue where the network is down, you may not get calls. You might have to contact your carrier to make sure that your account is good if there's no issue with any service outages going on right now in your area. And if it is, you just have to wait it out until they fix it. Generally, they'll fix it really quick. And that's all the troubleshooting you need to do in order to fix if you're not receiving calls. I hope by now you're receiving your calls. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any other ways to solve this problem, do share it in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next one.